Hey, let's continue with basic English grammar, third edition. This is be plus adjective. I am on page 12. Okay, this is page 12. All right, so let's begin. Be plus adjectives. Okay, so these are adjectives: round, intelligent, hungry, young. So adjectives are words that describe a noun. What is a noun? This is a noun. A a thing, name of a person, name of a place. Okay. So a ball is a noun. Balls, Mary, Tom. And also we have pronouns. Okay. So a ball is round. So this is B is an adjective. Is round. Are round. Okay. Is intelligent. Are intelligent. Okay, is intelligent singular, are intelligent plural. So these are adjectives: round, intelligent, hungry, young, happy. Okay, these describe a noun. So adjectives often follow a form of be, is, are. Adjectives describe or give information about a noun or pronoun that comes at the beginning of a sentence. Okay? So, for example, find the adjective in the first sentence, then complete the second sentence with be, an adjective plus an adjective that has an opposite meaning. Use the adjectives in the list. Use each adjective only once. For example, sad, the opposite of sad is happy. So I'm not sad, I'm happy. Okay, let's see. Let me see. Number two, Mr. Thomas isn't rich. He's okay. He's okay. Sorry. So he's poor, right? Mr. Thomas is rich. He's poor. Okay, rich is an adjective, and the opposite of rich is poor. Okay, my hair isn't long. It's it's the opposite of long is short, right? My hair isn't long. It's short. My clothes aren't dirty. They're they're clean. So clean is the opposite of dirty. Flowers, number five. Flowers aren't ugly. They're they're beautiful. Right? They're beautiful. Okay? Beautiful. Cars. I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue with number six. Cars aren't cheap. They're they're expensive, right? Expensive. They're expensive. Airplanes aren't slow. They're they're fast, right? They're fast. Grammar isn't difficult. It's it's easy, right? Easy. Perfect. My sister isn't short. She's sorry. She's tall. She's tall. My grandparents aren't young. They're old. They're kind of old, right? They're old. Old. The classroom isn't quiet. It's, let me see the word, noisy, right? It's noisy. It's noisy, right? Okay. Exercise 18. Sentence practice. Write sentences using is or are and an adjective from the list. Use each adjective only one time. Okay? So, fire is hot, right? Ice and snow are, right, because it's plural, are cold, right? Okay. A box is, what is the word? Funny? No. Round? No. Square? Yes, square. A box is square. Very good. Balls and oranges are round, right? Round. This one. Okay, is sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. An elephant is, let's see, an elephant is dangerous? No. Right? Okay, so let's say big. So an elephant is big, but a mouse is little. It's little. Right? Okay, number 7. A rainforest is, so let's say a rainforest is cold. No. Important? No. Wet? Maybe. Dry? So we have wet and dry. Okay, so a rainforest is wet, but a desert is dry. Number 8. A joke is funny. Right? Funny. Good health is, let's see, important. Right? Important. Guns aren't safe. They're dangerous. So number 11, a coin is small, round, and let's say flat, right? And a lemon is sour. Okay? Sour. Okay? Flat. Very good. Okay, if you have a lemon plus sugar plus water equals lemonade. That's super easy. Okay, this exercise 19 you have to do in pair. Okay, you have to draw on something, making the faces happy, angry, sad, or nervous. Okay. All right. Okay, exercise 20, sentence practice. Complete the sentences. Use is, isn't, are, or aren't. For example, a ball isn't square. A box is square, right? But a ball isn't square. Balls are round, right? Lemons are yellow. Ripe bananas are yellow too. Okay, number five. A lemon isn't sweet. It is sour, right? Okay, isn't my pen isn't heavy. It is light. This room isn't dark. It is light. My classmates are friendly. A total is slow. Airplanes aren't airplanes aren't slow. They are fast, right? The floor in the classroom isn't sorry, isn't clean. It is dirty. Okay, number 12. Number 12. Okay. The weather is cold today. The sun is bright today. My shoes are comfortable. Okay, my shoes are comfortable. Some people say comfortable. You can say my shoes are comfortable or my shoes are comfortable. Okay, exercise 21 again. Pair work. Okay, read that and do it. Pair work. Okay, and exercise 22 is a game. Okay, so you need to check all the words that you know. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. All right. So in this case, also pair word. You have to check each adjective that describe this city or town. So the city where you are living right now, if it's a big city, small, clean, dirty, friendly, the people are friendly, you know. So you have to check all referring to your city where you're living now. Okay. So that's all for today's guys. So tomorrow we're going to continue with B plus a place. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and remember, knowledge is power.